Hi everyone! So I want to give away with Lisa over at Happy Crafter Shop, and I wanted to play with these beads right here. I think it'll be really fun to go ahead and put some little bead charm dangles together. So let's see what I come up with. So here's what I got done so far. So this is my first pile, and what I was doing was I was color coordinating them. So you can see it was just the pinks with pinks, and I just did the seed beads, and then blue with blue, and yellow with yellow. And then I thought, why am I doing that when I can make themes? So I started doing a Halloween one, then I had Christmas, then I did the little bumblebee over here. And then with the second set, because I ended up like having dinner, and then I came back over here, then I started doing like, I want to do my Nightmare Before Christmas, so that's all like white and black to me. And then I figured out, why don't I add another seed bead? There's plenty of room to do that. So let me find one like these over here. Here we go. So you see I did 3 seed beads instead of 2. So that's what I got going on so far. Now next I'm going to work on using these. So we'll see what I come up with next. Okay, so I came on to my normal filming setup. I didn't like the whole shakiness of me trying to be lazy and record inside. So I'm like, you know what, get up and go out. So my normal filming setup is in the garage. So this is what I got done. I think I ended up with about 80 pieces out of that string of beads. So literally all is what I did was I took the string beads, so like that orange one is what she sent me, and then I added seed beads. I mean, and look at the whole variety that I was able to make. I think these came out so cute. And now like I have a little stash set up, so I'm going to separate them out because I did do like just some pink ones. I have some Christmas ones. I have some for a bumblebee project. I have winter. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, some of my Nightmare Before Christmas ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, separate those out. And then I did do the other pack of beads that she sent me. So here's all of those. I think these came out really good too. I love that I have a nice little stockpile, so I could just go ahead and throw some stuff together. So there's those. I did keep a couple out to show you. So some I did do with the seed beads, some I did with pearls, some I used some of those rhinestone spacers. So there's just like a whole variety that you can go ahead and go through. Yeah, again, I was sticking with like Halloween, Nightmare Before Christmas, my bee, my winter, see my Christmas over here. So yeah, I did a whole little variety. So I'm going to show you guys just really fast how I put these together. I have a ton of seed beads that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby. If you guys have been with me for a while, you guys saw me buy these for like $1.50. I told you guys to go out and get them because they're great to have on hand. So I got all my clearance seed beads and I threw them in this little container. So I just went through and picked them out. So like, see, that's like a pair right there. And then over here's like another pair. So I just went through and picked out what I needed. And then I have my head pins. So some I did in silver, some I did in gold. So I'm going to do this one in gold. So then of course I had to bring out my silver and gold rhinestone spacers. So I have them in that little container there. So all is what I did was, oh, and I have my round nose pliers. So I threw down a seed bead, and then sometimes I would layer on another seed bead. So like this seed bead is actually smaller than that gold one. So I would do that. Then, you know, I would throw on, say, like a little rhinestone spacer. And then I went ahead and I added the bead that she sent me. Then I would just roll it on down. I love the lazy way of wire wrapping. So you just put your pliers right at the end of your head pin and just roll it on down. It's so much faster and easier than trying to do the other pretty wire wrapping, but I think it still looks really nice. So you still get kind of like a double loop there up at the top, and then that's how that little charm comes out, and I think it looks really, really cute. So I'm gonna add that to my pile there. And then with the other ones, see, these are the ones that were on the string that she sent. So that's what those look like. I thought they looked like little like baby teeth. So kind of the same thing. I just took another head pin here. Now you could get these anywhere, you know, that sells supplies. So Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Temu, AliExpress, they all have the head pins. So what I did was I did a seed bead. I did one of the string beads. I did another seed bead, and then I did the other string bead, and I did them in like the same color, so you can see it's like that fuchsia color. So I did those together, and then just topped it off with another seed bead. And then I did the same thing of where I just took the wire and rolled it on down to close that off. So there was a ton of beads on that string. I didn't think there was that many, but the fact that I used 2 per head pin and I still ended up with about 80 pieces is pretty wild to me. That was a lot more than what I expected, and I didn't even bother to count how many are over here, but there's quite a bit over here. Oh, look, on this one I did the combination of just the beads that she sent to me. So that's what that one looks like. So there's easily got to be like another 30 pieces over here. So that was a lot of work just for one night. You know, I just sit there in front of the TV and just go ahead and start, you know, doing some wire wrapping. And, you know, this is what I was able to get done. My mom and I were, you know, watching a couple of shows that we like to watch. And yeah, I was just like going to town putting these together, and I think they came out really, really nice. So all right, guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll also leave a link down below to her Instagram and to her shop, so you guys could go ahead and go check them out if you like. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.